Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Harvey Harvington from Bloodmoney. So first we're going to get started with a spiral in the hair. So right in the center, we're just going to curve this line around and through. Let's continue this as we come up now. So on the side, on the bottom, again, we're just going to curve this around and then back down on the side. Let's move up on a diagonal now. We're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. And then from this line on the top, again, we're just going to curve this around and through. Let's move over on the top left. Let's curve this line up. And then from this point, we're going to arch this line all the way around, and we're going to bring this through, bringing that up past our line on the side. Let's draw in the hair on the side now. So we're going to curve this line over, bringing that up on the right. And then we're going to come down, curving this around and through. Let's step across. We're going to arch this line up from that point, bringing this back over. And then in the center, we're going to curve this line up and through towards the left. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line back down on the right. And then again from the side, we're going to curve this over and then in. Now let's draw in the shape of the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down for the cheek. And then we're just going to do the same thing, bringing that over and down, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then through on the right. Now on both sides for the ear, we're just going to arch this around and then in. We're going to come across, line that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's add any detail in the ear now. So we're going to curve this line out. And then let's move down, curving this around and then back in. Let's close off the hair on the top. So on both sides, on the left, we're going to curve this down. We're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing that in. Now let's draw in our eyes. So we're going to start in the corner. We're going to curve this around and through. We're going to do the same thing, lining that up at the same height on the left-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now from here, we're going to start in the corner. We're going to curve this around and through. And then we're going to move across on the left, replicating that, bringing that over and up on the side. Let's move in towards the top. From that corner again, we're going to curve this over and up. We're going to do the same thing on the left. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this back down. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back out towards the side, bringing that in. And then from that corner, we're just going to bring this line back down towards the bottom. And then again, we're just going to arch this line out and then back in, closing that off. And then again, we're just going to color this in black. Now let's move in towards the middle. We're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. And then we're going to step over on the right-hand side and just replicate that. Let's move in towards the top left-hand side, and we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. We'll do the same thing on our right eye. Now let's move in towards the center. We're going to draw in a circle for the pupil of the eye. And then again, we're just going to color that in black. Now let's draw in our eyebrows. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and in. And then on the side, we're going to arch this around, back through, coloring this in black. And now let's come over on the left-hand side. We're going to line this up at the same height, arching this in towards the hair from that corner, curving this back up. Again, just curving that in black. Now let's draw in the nose. We're going to bring this line down and across on the right. Let's draw in some corner brackets now for the smile. And then again from here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line right in the middle. Now let's move down. We're going to close off the neck. So we're going to arch this line in, back up on the right. Let's draw on the bow tie right in the center. So we're going to draw on a small rectangle, just curving the edges as we come around. Now on the right, we're going to bring this line out. We're going to do the same thing as we come over on the top. From that corner, we're going to curve this line down and then in towards the bottom. And then again, from that corner, we're going to curve this line back through towards the side. Now from here in the center, we're going to arch this line over and across. And now let's come down. We're going to come over on the left-hand side underneath the bow tie, leaving a small gap, and we're going to bring this line across for our first finger. We're going to scoop this around, so we're going to arch this through, back over, and then on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line down for our right hand. We're going to do the same thing on the left-hand side for the left hand. Now from here, we're going to curve this again for the second finger, bringing this back through and over, ending that at the same distance. Again, from here, curving this around, back across. And then again, from here, we're just going to curve this line over and through. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to arch this line over. Let's do the same thing on the left, and we're just going to end this at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off by curving this down on both sides. Let's close off the top of the arm. We're going to arch this line over towards the side of our page. And then stepping up again, we're just going to curve this line back across towards the left and right. Let's close this off on the bottom. From that corner, we're going to arch this line around, bringing that line in towards the top, bending that at the elbow on both sides. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back down towards the top of the arm. Let's move through. For the wrist, we're going to curve this line up on both sides. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in 2 small circles. Let's move across. We're going to add a small detailed line, curving that out. Let's close off the shoulders now. So moving up, we're going to arch this line over towards that top corner. And now let's close off the rest of the suit jacket. So right in the center, we're going to draw on a straight line coming up. And then we're just going to draw on a small circle on the right-hand side. Let's close off the rest of the jacket. So on the side, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to do the same thing on the left, bringing that down towards the bow tie. And then from here, coming underneath, we're going to continue to bring that in towards our hand. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in and then back out. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a rectangle on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line around and then in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the side, bringing this down. Now let's close off the hair. So on both sides, we're going to arch this line through. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Again, from here in the corner, we're going to curve this line up towards the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then again, one more time, we're just going to curve this down towards the shoulders. And that is it. That's how you draw Harvey Harvington from Bloodmoney. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.